understanding the motherboard and their functions, and as I'm going to explain the different parts of a motherboard with pictures. So at the first glance, the components of a motherboard can appear complicated, even daunting to some. So how are we supposed to figure out that jumbled of connectors, ports, slots, sockets, and heatsinks? So the good news, find your way around a motherboard. All you need to know are the major motherboard parts and their functions. And what better way is there than to do it with labeled photos? Let's take a closer look at the different motherboard components. First is the back panel connectors and ports. Connector and ports for connecting the computer to external devices such as display ports, audio ports, USB ports, Ethernet ports, PS2 ports, etc. So here is the image. PCI slot. PCI or peripheral point interconnect slot for older expansion cards such as sound cards, network cards, connector cards. This one is the PCI. PCI slot. PCI Express by one slots. Slot for modern expansion cards such as sound cards, network cards, Wi-Fi Ethernet, Bluetooth, connector cards, USB FireWire, eSATA, and certain low-end graphic cards. Ito yun. PCI Express by 16 slot. Slot for discrete graphic cards and high bandwidth devices such as top and solid state drives. Ito yun, ito. Next is the North Bridge, also known as Memory Card Controller Hub or MCH, chipset that allows the CPU to communicate with the RAM and graphics card. And as you can learn, the North Bridge is CPU socket. CPU socket or CPU slot is a mechanical component that provides mechanical and electrical connection between the microprocessor and the circuit board or PCB. This one is the PCU socket. It takes 12 volt power connector. Connects to USB 2.0 ports at the front or top of a computer case. Itong apat na itong may butas. And yung front panel USB 2.0 connector. Front panel USB 2.0. Connects to USB 2.0 ports at the front or top of a computer case. Ito yun. Front panel connectors. Connects the power switch, reset switch, power LED, hard drive LED, and front audio ports of a computer case. That I will provide. Simula tayo, the IDE. IDE connector connects to older hard drive disk and optical drives for data transfer. Then, Ito yun. IPE. CMOS battery supplies power to store BIOS settings and keep the real-time clock running. Ito yung ating CMOS. South Bridge, also known as the Input or Output Controller Hub, chipset that allows the CPU to communicate with PCI slots, PCI Express, BIOS na one slots, expansion cards, SATA connectors, hard drives, optical drives, USB ports, USB devices, Ethernet ports, and onboard audio. Ito yung ating tinatawag na South Bridge. SATA connector connects to modern hard disk drives, solid-state drives, and optical drives for data transfer. It's fun. This is sad. Fan headers. Fan header supplies power to the CPU heatsink fan and computer case. Fans. Number 14. So, ito siyang part. RAM slots. Insert RAM here. Wala ring RAM itong nakalagay. I will provide one. Next is the ATX power connector. Connects the 24-pin ATX power cable of a power supply unit which supplies power to the motherboard. But mamaya, subukan natin hanap tayo ng ibang picture. Okay. Number 17 is the SATA connector. Connects the SATA solid-state drive. In most cases, this SSD is used as shade to speed up hard disk drives, but it's possible to repurpose it as a regular hard drive. Next one is the front panel USB 3.0 connector. Connects to USB 3.0 ports at the front of or top of the computer case. That's the way to the front panel USB 2.0 3.0 connector rather. Okay, number 19, power reset button. The last one, onboard button to turn on or turn off and reboot the computer. So this mother component is more common among high-end boards. So ito siya, pinaka nasa baba. Ito yung pabukan ng motherboard. That's all. Thank you.